going to go over what a dynamic claim is. You may have studied this last year in 10th grade English or junior English or freshman English, but let's go over it really quickly. Dynamics, if we look at the word, it means to be vigorously active or forceful, energetic. So think of the word dynamite, right? That's where we get that. And these are the etymology of the word. You can look at that. So if I were to write a static claim, I would state something that exists or that something is a problem. So for this paper, I might write something like, in James Baldwin, Talk to Teachers, he uses many persuasive strategies to convince his audience of teachers that something needs to be done about education. Okay, so it's stating that something exists or that something exists, okay? Uses persuasive strategies. So now how do I take that and make it a dynamic claim? Okay, a dynamic claim will establish complex relationships between ideas. It might show cause and effect. It might show correlation, influence, comparison, contrast, implications, and speculations. So if we take that same thesis, I might say, because Baldwin uses effective and passionate analogies and images and a powerful tone, he is more likely to convince his audience of teachers to indeed change the current curriculum that they're teaching. Okay, notice how that has more energy, it's more forceful, it's more active. So here I have a few examples, right? Let's look at this. The percentage of teens with driver's licenses has fallen over the last decade. Okay, that obviously is a static claim. It's just stating a fact, right? Or it's stating that something exists. So words like this, I encourage you to use these words in your thesis. Even though, although, since, because, if, besides, though, despite, due to, and therefore, whereas, those are great words to use in a dynamic thesis, okay? So use these words. I'm trying to highlight. It's being very fussy here. Oh my gosh. Okay, but it's right there. So that's where we're looking, okay? So here are the words. Again, hey, it did it. Okay, so you can use these words in your thesis to make your thesis as dynamic as possible.